I'll deal with Koyin. He doesn't know who he's playing with. You know, when everything happened and I got to the
he came. No, he came. He was like, I'm like, so don't know where she did. This is Big Brother house, blah blah. Even if it's Big Brother house,
no, they could have continued making
for a
noise.
reason.
You have a living room. You have the garden. You have everywhere else. This is a boy that sleeps next to me, that knows that I'm always on time. And they've not even started their game. So why did you come to that room to make noise? I politely begged them, reduce your voice. They were screaming. And if you're screaming, that's too much. You gotta put your voice down. He now came. That time I now managed to like calm down and I was sleeping. Then Shege, he now came and said, oh, everybody wake up, everybody wake up. We made a change back. 9 people say, can't you change it for her? Why go change that for her? Wake up, wake up. Now I come they hit my bed. I was like, wow, me and you did this level, you want to disrespect me like that. Because I had a smile with you or what?
Because you should get it.
It's about familiarity, they cause that kind of thing now. You want to show people say you get power for my side, you get crazy. Ah. I said for my front.
You don't finish them?
Sultan, I've been on my Let's come make me. He come with. Everybody does the watch. I can't come and do my bed. Wake up. Everybody they sleep, get up. Nobody will change your battery for you. This is the same meal. I'm always fixing your bed. I'm always cleaning your area.
Yeah, she got HH.
No, Allah. It's too small for me to address it. That's why I allow. If not, I'll give them a reason. So I just say no, Allah. I go allow them. No be this house we do. When show ends, everybody will meet outside. That's if you even meet me.